Holy crap! You okay, dude? What happened?
Dude, did you know the Triforce is on the back of the dollar?
No, it's not.
Look.
Oh, wow, it is!
I know.
What? I want to see! Where?
Right there.
Oh, wow, that's pretty awesome, man.
Yeah, it is. Yep. Proof the government knows it's real.
Oh, hey, speaking of government, did you guys hear what they were talking about on the news yesterday?
Uh-uh.
Well, they were talking about all these different crazy ways, apparently, that cause retardation.
What? Thought that only happened. I thought people were just born with it.
Well, yeah, most of the time that's true, but they were also talking about stuff that could happen later in life.
Like what?
Well, blunt force trauma to the head, car accidents. Oh, and apparently standing too close to a running microwave.
What?
Whatever.
Dude, that's what they said. You guys want to try it?
No.
Well, if you don't believe it, why are you scared of it?
I'll do it.
Well, all right, let's go do this.
All right.
This is gonna be funny.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
How close do I gotta be?
That should be good there.
All right.
See, I tried to tell you.
Dude!
Are you okay? Hey, are you okay? Dude, get some help. I'm trying to tell you. Hey, dude, you okay?